Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -0.23%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -0.11% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend. This presents a promising buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $181.85 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and possibly a shift in the trend. Looking ahead over the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential 11.3% change. This offers a possible return ranging between 9.32% and 22.3%. For the 12-month trend, there is expected to be a 28.36% change. This translates to a potential return between 21.43% and 39.33%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere between $224.81 and $257.95 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals a decline in stock prices. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Apple's stock fell by 0.226%. The price dropped from $185.56 to $185.14 during the last trading day. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $182.73 and a high of $185.15, representing a 1.32% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, Apple's stock has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a 4.37% decrease. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which is usually a positive indicator. On the last day, the volume dropped by 16 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $7.85 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Apple's stock reached a high of $199.62 and a low of $128.12. Currently, the price is 7.25% or $14.48 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 18.89% or $43.12 below its all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Apple, the stock of Apple Inc. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Let's jump back a bit more to Thursday, December 14, 2023. On this day, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Interestingly, on the same day, Citigroup had a different outlook and gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Finally, going back to Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush once again gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have overwhelmingly rated Apple stock as a strong buy. They have given a strong buy rating for both the PE ratio and the price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more neutral rating. Today, we're going to take a look at the signals for Apple stock. Currently, there aren't many positive technical signals for Apple. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, painting a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the upside, the stock may face resistance at $185.17 and $191.50. However, if it manages to break above these levels, it could issue buy signals. We should also note that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a 6.55% decline. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. However, it's worth mentioning that volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that might catch your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also suggest a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands give a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal 16 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. When analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 6 days ago. Now, let's zoom out and take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. When considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 32 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $181.91. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. In terms of risk, Apple has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's performance over the last day, it had a range of $2.42 between its high and low, representing a 1.32% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.51%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in Q4 2023 stand at $2.08. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple's stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $185.64. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple's stock faces a downward trend, its first support level is at $181.91. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Apple, as determined by multiple analysts, is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -21.928. In total, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is it a good time to invest in Apple stock? Despite the positive trend, there are several negative signals surrounding the Apple stock, leading us to believe that it may perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, January 10th, we anticipate that Apple will open with a decrease of $0.800, starting the trading day at $184.34. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember the risks involved in trading. Losing money is a possibility, so it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Welcome to our latest stock analysis. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.